Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. I giggled because I just realized I forgot to shave before I came and did my video, but we're gonna roll with it. It's Saturday. I want to start this video by thanking two viewers who sent some pretty cool things to the channel, and I want to express my gratitude and show people. The first one, I'm going to show a picture because the studio lights make these shine. This one's from Mark, and it says, "Hello, Jared. As a long-time YouTube sub, I just wanted to say thank you for all the work you do keeping the rest of us informed on 2A News. Enclosed are some items I made for you as a small token of appreciation." And this is cool. Check these out. These are keychains that have the channel logos on them. It has the New Sons of Liberty as well as the traditional channel logo, and on the back of them, they have the verbiage of the Second Amendment, the text, the elusive text that the gun grabbers can't grab right there. Thank you, Mark. That's cool. The second one I want to thank, and this is really, really cool as well. It says, "Jared, thanks for all you do. You're a strong voice for our Second Amendment rights. I know all of us appreciate you a lot. Sincerely, Michael," and he also goes by Vegas Mad Mikey. And he made a challenge coin, a Guns and Gadgets challenge coin with my new logo on it. And on the back side, it says, "The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed." This is awesome. In fact, I owe you another email, Mike. I think I'm going to order some of these to maybe do something with in the future. Thank you to Mike and Mark. I really appreciate you. That was cool and unexpected. If you want to, I'm not soliciting anything, but the P.O. box is in the description. All right, in this video, I want to talk about the ongoing attempt, the mission by Firearms Policy Coalition to go after the states that are restricting the rights to keep and bear arms for people aged 18, 19, and 20 years old from purchasing firearms. And yesterday, Firearms Policy Coalition jumped into another lawsuit, and this one was in Minnesota. Now, they filed a motion for summary judgment, and the case is Worth v. Harrington. And wait till you hear some of the quotes on this. From FPC's motion, it says, "At the time the Second Amendment was ratified, not only were there no laws in any state that purported to limit the rights of 18 to 20-year-olds to carry firearms for self-defense, there were several laws enacted, including the Militia Act of 1792, that required 18-year-olds to buy and maintain firearms. Defendants will not be able to point to any historical tradition that could justify Minnesota's attempt to deviate from the plain text of the Second Amendment. Therefore, this court must declare the carry ban unconstitutional." And wait till you see how Minnesota responded to try to prove their case. Boy, did they step in it. Now, the state of Minnesota also filed its own motion for summary judgment, which began by arguing that this case is part of FPC's coordinated multi-state litigation plan to force a determination on the issue of whether the Second Amendment covers the right of 18 to 20-year-olds to publicly carry handguns. And then it went on to say, "The plain text of the Second Amendment does not cover those under 21. Therefore, a historical analysis is unnecessary, and that 18 to 20-year-old women are also not covered by the plain text of the Second Amendment." Whoa. Let's go back to the plain text of the Second Amendment, which, according to Clarence Thomas in the Supreme Court, under the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Bruin case, is the only test for those looking to infringe or limit the rights of the people to keep and bear arms. Minnesota is saying that it does not apply to 18 to 20-year-olds. So, for those in the audience who don't know the verbiage, it says, "A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed." The right of the people, the whole body, us, we are the people. We the people of the United States. Remember, in order to form a more perfect union, we are the people, all of us. It doesn't say not women, not 18 to 21, not 18 to 20, only 21-year-olds. And nowhere in the text that I just recited does it say women aren't covered. But Minnesota is arguing that women don't have the right to protect themselves. They don't have Second Amendment rights if they're 18 to 20. Wow. Here's a quote from FPC's senior attorney for constitutional litigation, Cody Wisniewski. He said, "Not only can Minnesota not point to a single founding era law that prohibited 18 to 20-year-olds from carrying a functional firearm for self-defense, but those individuals are a key reason we have the Bill of Rights in the first place. The typical age of individuals that fought the British for our independence was between 17 and 20-year-olds, and some much younger than that. The state's arguments that Minnesota's carry ban is supported by relevant history and that adult women have no right to keep and bear arms is beyond absurd. We look forward to vindicating the rights of young people in this and other cases. Now, you guys and gals know that I have good friends at Firearms Policy Coalition, and I strongly urge you to support them in these efforts of fighting these communists. There's a link in every one of my videos. It's right there on the screen. It's in the description. It's in the pinned comment. Please support those who support you and donate to Firearms Policy Coalition. On screen are the other lawsuits in which they're looking to reinstitute the rights of 18 to 20-year-olds. In addition to the Worth case, they're also involved in Laura v. Evanchik, that's in Pennsylvania's 3rd District, Andrews versus McCraw in Texas's 5th, Reese versus the ATF versus the federal government in the 5th Circuit, Bassett v. Slatery, that's versus Tennessee in the 6th Circuit, Meyer v. Roall versus Illinois in the 7th Circuit, and Jones v. Bonta, which is California's 9th Circuit case, and in Baucom v. Jackson in Georgia's 11th Circuit. So, sound off, young Americans 18, 19, and 20, especially females. Minnesota and their attorneys, their anti-gun state attorneys, have just gone on record saying that you don't have the right to defend yourself, especially you women. You don't have the right to keep and bear arms because you're a woman. How sexist is that bullshit? And they just put it on paper. I'll have a link to this lawsuit down below. I can't believe this. Wow. Just wow. The truth behind a lot of the gun control movement is based in racism, sexism, and control, and Minnesota just put it on paper. FPC, keep kicking ass. Guys and gals, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. Thank you, Michael and Mark, for these awesome gifts. They really, it really means a lot. It's humbling to receive these. And until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe. Let's see, heads or tails on the new challenge coin. Heads is the logo. Do I do another video today? I'll see you on the next one. Take care.